Hello everyone,
Namaste dosto,
my name is Hardik.
and I am Gabi.
Welcome to the Spicy Masala YouTube channel.
And in today's video we will be vlogging from Croatian beach in Zadar. But before that we came here to one of the historical sites of the city to show you the buildings right behind us. We are standing at the Zadar Forum, which is full of like old medieval relics.
And it looks really historical. And this monument is Saint Donald's
Church,
yes.
which was started to build in 9th century. So those are proper medieval ages. And right behind this building, which is the round one over here, is the one with the tower. And that's a cathedral of Saint Anastasia.
Which is the biggest in this region.
Yes, the biggest church
in this region.
In all Dalmatia. Now, let's head straight to the beach, since we can't stand this sunny weather.
We should to run to water for this. We did one mistake. We should to start from forum, not from gate. And now
Because
we have
went
problem.
to gate to have cute photo shoot.
Yes.
And I am sorry because it is my fault.
Oh, now I can die in peace. I was waiting for this word all my life.
I was planning this day and I didn't realize that beaches are not on this side. I think I'm sleepy. Yeah.
So let's walk.
But we are going.
Enjoy.
It will be about 1 kilometer. One beach is 800 meters away from Forum, and the other one is like 1.5 kilometers. So let's go.
On the way.
Okay, guys, I'm coming, honey.
Come.
I'm coming. Oh, namaste, mommy.
Namaste,
Namaste.
Why were recording me?
For our vlog from beach.
Okay.
You can tell mom that sindoor is not suitable for beach.
એ તરવા જાય ને એટલે સિંદૂર અહીંયા સુધી આવી જાય છે. તરી જાય ને બધું કઈ વાગ્યું મને કે ના તો જોઈને તો બધું પેલું લોહી જેવું નીકળતું હતું સિંદૂર જ આવે છે મને કે હા સિંદૂર લાગે હા એ તરત હા તરત ધોવાઈ જાય છે ને એટલા હે વોટરપ્રૂફ લાવવાનું.
Okay guys, we made it to the beach and water is extremely cold today because it's not sunny. Even though the temperature is around 25 degrees, it is still really cold water without the sun. And yeah, we enjoy a little bit swimming and sitting in the water. The sun was for a while, so we were sunbathing as well, but it was very short minute. And now just a few more swims. You will see our fun in the video here. The surroundings are very nice. Even some guys are fishing over there, so there must be a lot of fish. I found a lizard. I will also show you the lizard. And here is also a restaurant where you can get some food near to the sea. And this beach seems a little more popular. I will share the location somewhere here. And yeah.
ગયડા તો ખરા ધોરા થઈ ગયા સાચું
Honey.
તો શાઇનિંગ લાગે.
We are coming back from beach here. And we have some recommendations for you which we've got from information center. So we will give you some beach names over here and you can check them out, search them up and choose whichever you like. We know about some of the sandy ones, even though we've went to the pebbly one. And guys, don't go there without slippers.
Oh, that's it's bad really.
For
bad.
swimming it's awesome,
But
because when you
time,
swim it's like no problem, then you don't touch the bottom. But if you would like to walk or even getting inside water, so much struggle.
But if you have time, just take taxi. Uber is really cheap here. Just take taxi and go for that one.
The sandy one.
Yes. We just
Because
don't
it's a
have
little
time
more
that
far.
much, that's why.
It's like 1 hour by walk, the nearest one from the Old Town. Maybe you can have accommodation nearby, so then it's of course different story. But yeah.
But if you want to spend all day, then it's better to go nice one and just relax there.
Anyway, Anyway, it was fun. Water was cold, but you can adjust. It's not like ice cold, so that's also quite alright.
Even if it was cloudy, but it was okay.
And
It was
in the
sweet.
sun, of course, it's awesome and much better. So we also recommend you to choose a sunny day. For us, we've been cheated by the forecast.
As
So
always.
yeah.
But we are useful from Netherlands, so it's fine.
Yeah, not too bad. And you can find many cute lizards.
And we tried to even catch one, but it
Failed this time.
Yeah. He was more smarter.
Yeah. Anyway, here they have really like a rich life inside the sea, so that's also very nice.
Okay,
Okay,
so
we are
let's
heading
head
to
to
the-
ice cream.
Yes, and to send some postcards so we can show you where from you can send anything to your family, because we know that place is very much nearby. See you there. Okay guys, after some swimming time, it's time to get back the sugar and
Yes,
energy
which
that
we
we
lost.
lost. Here is the gelato place we bought it from. It's L'Amore
Roma.
il Gelato. So
E
that's a
Roma.
gelato in Croatia. Tomorrow we'll be trying gelato in Milan, in Italy. So wait for it.
We will see
Anyway,
which one is better.
right now we have this one. Those are like a crafted ice cream. I have extra cone with pistachio, chocolate cone with pistachio. Hardik prefers to get a cup,
Mango
and my ice cream is melting.
is gone now.
Anyway, I have
It's going.
mint chocolate.
It's going.
It's so hot here. I have mint chocolate, and the other one is like almond with pistachio and honey.
I have mango, simple one, and second
Mango
was
Alfonso. And you have something like greca crema.
La Grotte Grasse, something like this. Yogurt with honey and something else. Something. Let's start.
Oh my god,
Yours is melting.
it's awesome. I'm such a fan of mint chocolate, so for me it's awesome. And it's really good. And the scoops are so big. Mine was 750 total with the special cone.
So I was the same.
And yours
7.
was like 660 because we pay 14 euro 10 cents total. So yeah, let's go to send our
Mango is
postcards.
Mango is best.
Oh my god.
Mango is best. It's good, guys.
Okay
See you.
guys, our gelato was really delicious and a really
Let's
big
take time to
portion.
finish.
So even though it was a little more pricey, it's worth it. If you would like to get something more affordable, you can find even ice cream near the same place for 2 euro per scoop. So that's a great
And
option.
if you're not much fan of ice cream, just take one scoop will be enough, believe me.
Yeah, but they have many fancy flavors, you can try it out. Anyway, we found the post office and we are about to send our postcards.
Postcards to home.
So, the post office is exactly near to the forum, so if you are visiting the Cathedral of St. Anastasia or the forum, it's right next
Easily you
to
will
it.
find it yellow.
On
They
the
have
map,
symbol posta.
Easily, yes.
How is called?
Croatian
Posta.
post, yeah.
Posta.
And the box is located exactly at the corner near to Funky Chunky ice cream. So if you also
And,
like a soft
they
serve,
have more,
it's a place for you.
More places, like only boxes, this kind of. They have another places, so if you see somewhere, if you want to, you can just throw it here.
Yeah, but in the old town, this is the one you should look for. So we are
Let's
going to send it to our family. We hope it arrives quickly.
Yeah, we pay for it €1
170 for a stamp.
for one.
Yes.
So you should to go faster. Let's go. Here you go. All in one.
Oh. Bye bye. Okay guys, so the purpose of our day is done. We went to the beach, we sent our postcards, we've got really nice gelato, and now we are picking up our dinner.
And we are heading to
Jacuzzi.
to back. But
Yes.
and then we are leaving for Milan. So
Yes.
we don't have much time. We should to get ready faster. Thank
We
you for
hope
watching it.
you enjoyed our recommendations and are going to visit this place and use them. It's awesome and we really like Zadar. If you will like it, we can cover more things from Croatia in our next adventures and vlogs.
Thank you for watching.
Leave a like under this
Share.
video, comment and share with your mom, dad, friends,
Neighbor,
siblings,
maybe neighbor. You never know.
Thanks
Thank
for
you.
watching. Subscribe to this channel and see you in the next video.
Bye.